Alright guys, we got the 1942, the Casamigos, the Buzzball. Little fit check, fit check. We got the, whatever the fuck this is, the shorts, Supreme, the AF1s.
Yo.
Make it in once you make it in, guys, you know.
We had a pool party. We didn't even know it was a pool party, but I guess we had the pool party. I guess we had the pool party.
Yo, what's up? Alright, fuck it, another shot.
Ooh, alright. Yeah, another shot. Take a shot, take one.
Alright, he's gonna take one.
Take a shot, we all gonna take one.
Damn.
Take a shot, take a shot.
Hold on, wait, hold on, wait.
Ugh. No chaser, no chaser.
No check. Ooh, he's dangerous. Ooh, little cough. That ain't nothing.
Hey, I didn't listen to nobody.
God damn, another. I need my chaser. That's light work, that's water.
I'll take one.
Is this mine? Is this ours?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get the Dr. Pepper. Waterfall.
Whose is that? Whose is that?
I don't know.
I just finished spraying.
Let's just shoot, Neil.
We got like, what is this? I'm good right now, but the burger does sound good later though.
Yeah.
Hungry?
No, I'm okay.
Your turn.
Alright. We'll take this hoe.
You don't want to chase it?
Get my chaser.
It don't got nothing. It don't got very little.
Yeah, everybody can search for us.
You don't think somebody's
Probably started cooking at like 6.
We're gonna do what are the odds you jump in the pool fully clothed.
jump in that hole.
Alright, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, the mic wasn't on, but I'm gonna take another shot even though I'm already fucked up. I'm already drunk. I'm sorry my words.
That's probably why.
He gonna take over.
You gonna end up blacking out?
I'm not gonna black out.
I will.
Oh, shit, my bad.
I'm not gonna black out.
Red flag.
The mic wasn't on, bro. Fuck it.
No, what the fuck happened?
Rabbit. Now, bro.
Get up, I broke
Jump now.
Bite it.
Alright, cool, I got it.
Damn, that bitch gonna have to stay open, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, we basically killed that bitch. Not
My
gonna lie.
bad, man. He scared me. I'm gonna get this Dr. Pepper.
Waterfall lead.
I know, I got you.
My bad.
Yeah.
Damn, my turn. Let me see.
Oh, that hurt.
Katie, she's throwing up the hood.
Who signed your shoe?
You see magic?
She said she got
You lied.
I got a video with him.
All you had was just your shoe and you're like, fuck it, sign it.
Yeah, look.
Oh,
look.
shit.
I'll
That
put
nigga
that
said he
shit up
finna hit
right
it for the
now.
camera.
Did he dance for you something? Or like dance or something? That's crazy.
Look at that.
Ain't no fucking.
That's it right there.
Where'd you see him at?
How you feeling, Brian?
I'm fucked up, boy.
How we feeling, Brian? We good? We good?
I feel like I might take another shot real quick.
You might have to. Take another. Yes, sir.
Still hungry?
Let me get a pizza.
Pizza? We're doing
Your fucking dog ate the little kid pizza.
Just tell me when
Yeah. Where's your dog at?
Yeah, take a shot, my boy.
Hold that
I
bitch.
got
You're gonna be cameraman.
Yeah, I got you.
I should it only picks up the sound in the front. Oh shit. Imagine the fucking the fire resistance. I fucking Tyson up the stream.
Yeah, we're gonna fucking blow up our room. Alright, take a shot, my boy. That was tough or what?
Yeah.
See?
That
What you
was
got?
1942. The whole tub. Hey, show the truck. Show the truck.
We're gonna have to blur that bitch up, bro.
Show the truck. Show the truck. Look at this. Look at this vlog. Look. Hey, Chris, what we got? What we got?
Shit, a little bit of everything. We got some black hats. We got some black hats.
Damn.
I gotta feed the streets.
Now y'all gotta take a shot.
I'm still recovering.
What's up with that?
I'm
Recovering from what?
From yesterday.
Are you good? That was yesterday.
That's why you recovering.
Like I'm recovering. No.
Hey, she knows.
Yeah, that's how you catch something out. You just exit out. Y'all want a shot, bro? Nah, I'm chilling. Y'all good? Yeah.
Be outside.
Oh, look, nigga with the ATV. Oh, go home.
That hoe's zooming. He's coming.
Damn, nigga, I need some light.
Hold on, nigga, I restart the video and some shit.
Ooh.
There you go.
There we are. Did you fix it up? Alright, hey, Chuck. Oh,
wait.
Put it down, Chris. Alright, tell him watch up.
Watch out, Chris.
Man, what is this one?
We finna fuck around and find out. That hole is crazy.
Ah, damn, what we got here?
Pull it up. Shit, I don't know, some 20 shots of, what is it, nuclear black cat?
God damn, oh
Alright,
shit.
pull it out? Alright, watch out.
Yeah, what's up with that hoe? Let me try another black cat.
Alright, stop.
Hold on.
Go!
You don't know where they went?
No, they was over there. I don't know where they at.
They're probably doing their own thing.
Ooh! The Casa Fricos.
Exactly.
The Casa Fricos.
Exactly.
Woo! 4th of July in Dallas, D-Town. Y'all already know it's Seagoville actually, but
No combine.
D-Town.
Close enough.
Close enough.
I think we're finna take off.
Y'all finna take off.
We finna take off, right?
Homegirl's in the car waiting. You got fucking. Is that a sunburn or sunblock?
Word.
On your nose.
I'll probably highlight. Hey, blood, don't speak on too much. You know what it is. We be thinking out here. Alright, bro, I'm gonna catch you later.
You want your bottles? I him in the way.
Damn, I missed it. Where's the top?
Top in the car, bro.
Yo, finna hit D-Town.
Let's go.
Come on, what the
Do
fuck
it.
going on?
Take that shot.
Oh. Nah. I'm driving. Hey, gotta respect the driver.
Alright, baby.
Gotta respect the driver. Go, get downtown. Get them back. Get them back.
This all smells good in here.
Good?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
You would see it. There's no people in the street.
I think you're one street wrong. Bruh, fuck it. I was recording my what's on your face, bruh? It was straight bacon. That's why they were taking forever.
Yeah, bro.
They're
My boy
bugging.
was fucking in the restroom, though.
Yo, what up, gang? Hello. How y'all doing?
Where the fireworks at? Where the drinks at?
Everything's over there. The drinks are drinks.
Where the cooler at?
The drinks are drinks.
Don't
He
drink
got
and
the
drive.
Donald J.
Don't drink and drive, you know?
And what is that? What is that? In the bottom.
We just got chamoy, bro. We gotta.
Ooh,
The
some
little nice
chasers, I guess.
We were hoping you guys had like the cranberry juice.
We have this.
Yeah, it's everything inside, bro. What y'all doing over there by Highland Park? Oh, go. Oh, I said too much. I said too much.
No. We brought the alcohol. Did you bring fucking fireworks?
I did, in the back of my truck.
Oh, okay. He brought fireworks, guys.
Where's Chris?
Oh! Hey, take a shot.
That whole hot.
That was hot as shit, bro.
Hell yeah, that whole hot.
Speaking of a shot, got the shot glass.
Shot glass on me.
Wait, what you got? Let me get on camera.
There you go, dip down.
The Don Julio and the whatever that is.
No littering, by the way. We're gonna pick that up after this one. When the camera cuts.
You need that, sir.
Take a
Need that.
That bitch that hit my
Imagine
neck.
it hits the truck and pops the other one.
We kind of clean. Bro, I can't get this bitch out of my pocket.
Are you paying him for recording?
Yeah, he needs to, right?
Hey, alcohol. I got you with alcohol.
What alcohol?
What am I?
Oh, you got the
Right.
big boss though?
Yes, sir. Look. Holla. How you? You got this?
Who's taking a shot? They need a shot. They need a shot.
You that?
Alright,
Here, you gotta hold that.
A shot of
You gotta hold that? Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Shot of this. Look, I even
No, I'm
bought the
taking the buzz
dipper.
ball.
Alright, go. Well, how about you do that and then I'll do this and then we switch.
Alright, then we go back to back. Alright, fuck it. Where'd you park it?
Over there. by my
Nice,
car.
fuck.
I didn't see you pull up. Bro, you missed it. Bro.
Oh.
Fireworks blew up like on the floor. Bro, we started running.
Hey, that shit was crazy, bro. I had to hide behind the car, nigga.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, that's what time you told me. I was recording, I was like,
Bro,
oh,
that's a
wait.
good ass video.
I don't know how to open a bottle.
Come on now.
I don't drink.
It's your first time?
He's under pressure right now. Under pressure. We're live on the fucking Twitch.
Damn, nigga didn't even take that. Hey, I know you new investment. Add a fucking light
Hey,
to this
wait,
bitch.
hey,
You
hey.
can't.
Yeah, you can, my nigga.
No, you can't.
Motherfucker.
I'm gonna get a.
No, you got
Hey,
two
take
of them.
both. Take both.
Yeah, take both. We took
Take
both.
both.
At the same time.
I'll be a bitch.
Double
Bro, it's a
penetration.
video.
Not hell, not at the same time.
Back to back.
Go.
Double.
No way, bro.
Do some. That's his
No
tracer.
way, she just
That's
said
his
double
tracer.
penetration.
He said that.
That's his tracer.
Fuck,
Some more, take that bitch.
Hey.
What we got? What we got? What we got?
Some BMC, some Canelo drinks.
Ooh, Canelo, big muscles. You missed everything.
What I miss?
All the fireworks, the pool.
They're still going on.
But you missed a big one. What do you got? What's your fit today? What's your fit?
Some comfy shit.
Still clean though. Still clean.
Read the back, read the back.
You should quit while I'm ahead. Yeah.